And that one is rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. The R is standing for recognize. Whatever emotional state comes up, happiness, sadness, fear, depression, jealousy, rain, R, recognize. Recognize first of all, what type of feeling is it that's coming up. The A is standing for acknowledge or accept. If there is fear, if there is jealousy, if there is anger, if there is something and you realize it about yourself, number one is you accept it. You say, yes, okay, at this moment I feel really angry. Yeah, I feel really sad. I feel the fear which is coming up.